The Rongjian Space Capsule R9 is 11.5 meters long, 3.2 meters wide, and 3.2 meters high, covering an area of 37 square meters. The smart door lock can be opened with a password, a fingerprint, and facial recognition. The exterior, made of durable aerospace aluminum and insulated glass. The roof features solar panels and a wind power system, allowing for self-sufficient, eco-friendly living.
There is one living room, one bedroom, one bathroom, and a balcony. The bedroom includes a super king-size bed, a large skylight, independent air conditioning, and smart voice controls. The bathroom features a dry-wet separation, a lighting mirror over the washstand which helps to enhance illumination. The living room can accommodate the sofa or the bed. The balcony provides extra relaxation space. Rongjian Space Capsule R9 is not just a living space, but a model for future living.